Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Telegram account without phone number. In order to do that, first of all, you have to come on this Telegram application. Just simply click on this Start Manage Messaging option. From there, you have to choose using your phone number. Now, you have to search for your virtual number. Go on the Google or your preferred browser. In the Google, you have to search for virtual number. Virtual number. From here, you can choose virtual numbers. Click on Online Slim and just simply click on Try it for free. As you can see here, there are lots of numbers are for free. Just simply click your preferred country and click on the number, and from here you can copy the number. For the OTP, you can visit here again. After entering your mobile phone number here, choose the country and click on the next. The QR code will be sent over here. Just copy the QR code and paste it over here. So this is how you can create a Telegram account without phone number. If this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel.